everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today's video is for this pop-up card metal die. This is the metal die set, and today I will use this to make a card. For today's card, I will use this very beautiful flower paper pad. And I will use white for card base. This is A4 size paper card. I will cut the white paper, leave a margin about 3 mm each side, also the bottom side, also leave 3 mm. Okay, the white paper was cut. And then we fold this paper, fold in the middle. So this card is open card. Okay, the card base is ready now. Next step is use the metal die. We prepared all these parts. Each part only needed to cut one time. Next, let's fold the papers according to the embossing lines. After folding, this paper can be this kind of shape. Then we stick the double-side tape for next step use. Here we go, we completed the preparation for this paper part. And fold this bar and the stick. And this small chip. And the stick on the base. And this very tiny bar, fold it and stick. And then one. Very tiny. Okay, we're ready. Next step, we will combine this pop-up part onto the base. We can see this big part is stand on the card and connect the pages of this card. First, we stick this end along the fold line on the card base and glue the parts together. The left end okay, and we do the right end now. We need to fold the two pages and make the pop-up base flat. And then we glue the base onto the card. Also, we need to make the base flat and glue. Okay, let's see the card flat. And let's test the pop-up function. Yes, it works well. Next, we combine this chip. The chip will stick to here. Okay, it will stick. Let's see closer. Here, this end is connected to the big base, and this line is a little inward. Next, we will combine this paper sticker. First, glue the small strip here. Make the stick go through both of the holes. Let's try and see. The paper stick swipe left and right along with the pop-up base, pop-up and flat. Okay, then we glue the other tiny strip on the other end to fix the stick, the long bar. Okay, we tried. It seems work well. Next, I will combine the two circles. First, we do the big circle. Here, pay attention. Here is circle embossing line. We make sure the circle on the line. When the base pop up, the base stand up, just like this. Okay, then we glue the circle on the bar. Okay, let's try it. It works well. Then we stick the small circle on this end. For this small circle, we also need to pay attention. We flat the card, then insert the small circle on the correct place, and then glue. Okay, it's done. It's perfect. Now all pop-up parts are complete. Next, we can decorate the cards according to our love. I will use these vintage flower papers to decorate. Cut the paper into correct size and then glue it. It's very nice. We do the same way for the other page. Okay, the flower paper is very beautiful, right? And then we decorate the circles, the same paper. First, the big one, glue it. And then small one, glue it. Okay, let's try and see. Very nice. And then I will use this tooth one to decorate. It will be easy. Glue with the foam tape. One on the base. And the other just beside the base. Okay, very sweet and interesting. Then I will use these tiny flowers to decorate this one. Okay, it's a she swan. She seems very pretty with the flowers. I cut the flowers from the paper pad and decorate this small circle. Okay, we complete all inside of the card, and I will deck the outside of the card. I use the same paper pad and cut in correct size. Then glue it. Okay, the card is finished. I hope you love this card. And I hope I expressed clear for any details and you can follow easy. This pop-up card is very fun and actually is easy to do. This is a butterfly card we have made. It is also very beautiful, right? Okay, it was today's tutorial. If you have anything don't clear, please let me know. Thank you, bye bye.